Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you the SpongeBob Image ID for the picture frame and grow according to game of Roblox. Okay, first of all guys, make sure that you have already unlocked the picture frame. You can get it from the picture frame crate from Gear Shop in Grow According to. Once you get the picture frame, you can put it in your garden. And then you're going to edit the image ID to get different image. And for this SpongeBob picture, you can add this image ID 14012109495. Once you add this image, you'll get this kind of SpongeBob picture. And yeah, that's really fun. And different image ID will give you different image, guys. So try to mix and match the ID now to unlock more images or more pictures. Okay guys, and that's the SpongeBob image ID for the picture frame in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!